Kong box. Here's another thing that came in it. This is Kong Bites, natural, ideal for anytime treating. My dog is getting kind of chunky. Oh, look who's here. Oh, hello. Are you gonna do unboxing with me? Oh, now we're friends, huh? Go get your Kong. Get your Kong. No? Okay. Okay. See if you like it. You like anything because you eat garbage. Yes, you do. Garbage day is your favorite day of the week. You like this? Can you do gently? Gentle. Gentle. You like it? All gone. All gone. You have to show your hands like you're a blackjack dealer. Next, in the Kong box, we have, they sent us a mask. Isn't that nice? And hand sanitizer. You can't eat hand sanitizer, Cal. And some information about the different sizes of the Kong, because I gave Cal his Kong toy and then he chewed up the instructions. Yeah. Okay, you can also put paste in the Kong toy, and it's kind of like peanut butter, and maybe we'll try it. We'll see. I might even put it on a toothbrush and brush his teeth. And then these are Kong Ziggies, and I will show you how long it takes, because the whole point of the Kong is to keep them occupied when you're not around. So I'll film him when we are leaving or something, or we need him to leave us alone, and see if they're effective. Oh, they gave a recipe for a sweet and savory Kong. So comment below if a subscription to Kong is your thing, and if you think that is a really nice gift for someone who just adopted or rescued a COVID puppy. Yeah, you're so gonna eat this in 40 seconds. Yes, you are gonna eat this in 40 seconds. Okay. Will you go behave yourself and leave us alone? No, you need to have manners. No, that's not manners. That is how fast my dog inhaled a Kong stick. Today I'm going to be questioning whether it is worth investing in subscription boxes. So my friend Jamie has spoiled me with some goodies. What she wanted to give me was sunscreen. So she heard me talk about sunscreen because for dark-skinned girls like me, they create a white cast. So she got me J.Lo Beauty, that big screen in a broad spectrum SPF 30 moisturizer, hydrate, protect, and soothe, 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. So I struggle with sunscreen because I don't like the feel, I don't like the smell, and recently I've been disappointed by the color. This is how luxurious this looks. Isn't that gorgeous? And that is the consistency. It feels like whipped cream, and I'm really happy with it. I've worn it since 11 o'clock this morning, and it is now 5:30 in the evening, and it doesn't feel greasy or oily, and I'm really happy. In the box also came Hum. Beauty starts from within, calm, sweet, calm. Gummies with benefits help manage the effects of stress. She knows me so well. Then I got Size Up Mascara. It's the perfect, tiniest little tube. How cute is this? So This is excellent for someone like myself who hasn't worn eye makeup in forever, and definitely not since the pandemic. Like, look how small that is. That is awesome. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'm gonna do a makeup, like a full face makeup routine, and actually use this for you. Also included was this. This is Gucci Beauty, and it has customizable results, build up, and coverage. It comes with the priming serum, fluid foundation in 3 different colors, and who knows, maybe I'll finally find the shade of skin color foundation that will match me. Who knows? It can happen. This is Jennifer Lopez Beauty That Can Be Screen 30 plus SPF, and it looks really beautiful. Like, the packaging is gorgeous, very rich. I'm still cleaning up the cup. It's SPF 30 and it feels really luxurious. I don't like wearing sunscreen, and here's one reason why. The feel of it is nasty and I don't like it, but not this product. This product feels really luxurious and rich, and the amount of sunscreen you're supposed to use is a lot, like a lot more than what I use, which is very little. It's supposed to be something like 1/4 of a teaspoon, and that seems a lot. So you have to rub it into your face and your neck, and I do 2 passes. And the reason why I'm doing it right and actually adding the right amount of sunscreen that is necessary is because, 1, sunscreen is like a drug. It is dose dependent. So if you don't use the right amount, what ends up happening is you don't get the protection you need. So another reason I don't like wearing sunscreen is there's this really horrible white cast. And if you're dark skinned, it looks silly. And who wants to look silly first thing in the morning, walking the dog through the neighborhood for the whole world to see, and all my YouTube followers? So I'll report back and tell you whether this is a win or not. So far it is, because it was so incredibly luxurious and it felt great putting it on. To say thank you, my friend Jamie has been spoiling me, and she's sending me things from Sephora. So I want to show you what she's sending me. This is the JLo Beauty Hydrate, Brighten, Highlight. So I'm really excited. Okay. She already sent me Jennifer Lopez Luminous Protection. This is SPF 30. So this is really sweet. By the way, Jamie does not have to do this. I'm filming Jamie's kitchen for the grief and decluttering video. I want to show you the beautiful packaging. I mean, wow. Okay. This is the complexion booster. It is a highlight, bronze, and diffuse. I don't even know how to use this, so that's going to be exciting. Gel cream cleanser. Oh my goodness. Okay, can't get it out. And that blockbuster. This is the Wonder Cream. Wow, I'm just so excited. And this is that JLo Glow, and it's a serum. So my question is, if you aren't a makeup beauty editor, do you think the way to go are subscriptions? So, and also, Cal, would you like to be part of the video? Yes, you do. This isn't the Kong unboxing, Cal. Also, in here, I have the Amika Bust Your Brass Intense Repair Mask. Okay, and then also I have Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume. It's like the perfect size. And what I love is every time Jamie sends me one of these Sephora things, I get foundation. How sweet is that? Because she knows I'm still in the search for the perfect foundation. So I'm super excited. On the right side, I'm just gonna apply the tinted sunscreen. I got this idea by the Sephora sales person who said, you know, your skin's so nice, all you need is a tinted moisturizer and concealer. This is my face. The right side is just the slightest amount of bronzer from the Physicians Formula palette, and the left side of the face is full face makeup. I was told by the lady at the cosmetic counter, your skin is great, you just need concealer, and I trusted her. In fairness, I applied blush on both sides, and I did my brows on both sides, and Lancome number 213 lip gloss on both sides. So already I can tell you I like the side with the tinted moisturizer. It's CeraVe. It's a mineral sunscreen, so it has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Titanium dioxide is 5.5% and zinc oxide is 10%. There's a little bit more of a glow with this, and already I can tell that the makeup side is starting to age me because it's sinking into fine lines that you ordinarily wouldn't see. I'm really glad that the lady at Sephora recommended the tinted sunscreen. I understand the color is off, and I've complained about this incessantly. I've complained about this so much that my friend Jamie sent me all kinds of JLo beauty products thinking that maybe JLo would be more color inclusive, and in every box that she sent me, there had been foundation samples to get my skin color right. And it is hard to get my skin color right because it's only the 1st of June and already you can see that my skin has changed like 5 shades. So thank you, Jamie. I really appreciate it. I'm starting a new habit of wearing sunscreen, and I think between the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen and this is the face sheer tint, I think between this and Jamie's gift of the JLo That Big Screen 30 plus SPF, I think I can finally make the habit of wearing sunscreen. Us dark-skinned people think we'll never get skin cancer. And then you realize actually we're all at equal risk. So this is one habit I'd really like to adopt. And I use bronzer for contouring with the Physicians Formula. And so with a little bit of contouring that you don't see here, my husband couldn't tell the difference. So for you minimalists out there that don't want to invest in, all these products and all of this, just do this. Congratulations, CeraVe. The nice thing about this is, from experience from the last time I filmed this video, as the day progressed, this side of the face looked progressively worse and the makeup sunk into fine lines to the end of the day where my husband kindly said, maybe you just shouldn't wear makeup. I mean, you don't need it. And what he was trying to hide, the fact that he was trying to say is you look old, because every single fine line is accentuated by makeup sinking into it. My question is, do you think a subscription box will help in the quest to be a more minimalist beauty product wearer? And comment below because I'd really like to know. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.